Let's see how to solve the equation. To make the solution simpler, let's assume A less than or equal B and B less than or equal to C. Here we give two methods. The first method we use decimal. Let's go. So method 1, we express 1 over A as 0.125, right? And then we write as 0.1 plus 0.02 plus 0.005. We know 0.1 equals 1 over 10. 0.02 equals 2 over 100, which is 1 over 50. 0.005 equals 5 over 1,000. So we get 1 over 200. So we get the first solution. A, B, C equals 10, 50, and 200. Let's look at the second method, method 2. Here we play a trick. So 1 over A, top and bottom, times 9. So we get 9 over A times 9. We break the top as 1 plus A, and the bottom is 72. So we can write as a sum of two fractions. So 1 over 72 plus 8 over 72, which is 1 over 9. Using the same trick, we can express 1 over 9 as the sum of two fractions. So 1 over 9, I can write as 10 over 9 times 10, right? So then we get 1 plus 9, the bottom, 90. So we get 1 over 90 plus 9 over 90, which is 1 over 10. So 1 over 8 can be written as 1 over 72 plus 1 over 9, but 1 over 9 now equals 1 over 90 plus 1 over 10. So we get the second solution. A, B, C equals A is 10, B is 72, C is 90, right? Similarly, we can also express 1 over 72 as the sum of two fractions. Let's go. 1 over 72, top and bottom times 73. So 72 times 73. Again, we break the top as 72 plus 1 over 72 times 73. Now for the first fraction, we cancel 72, so we get 1 over 73. For the second fraction, 1 over 72 times 73, which is 1 over 5,256. That means 1 over A can also be written as 1 over 72, but that is the sum, so we get 1 over 73 plus 1 over 5,256 and plus 1 over 9. So the third solution, A, B, C equals 9, 73, and 5,256. Can you find other solutions? If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.